The Pyramid of Giza was built during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu in the Old Kingdom period of ancient Egypt, around 4,500 years ago. The building of this pyramid was a massive undertaking, requiring the labour of tens of thousands of workers. The exact method used to build the pyramid is still a matter of debate among historians, but here is what is known. Number 1. Quarrying and transporting stones. The first step would have been to quarry the millions of limestone blocks that make up the pyramid. The stone blocks had to be cut and transported from Tura across the Nile River and up the pyramid site. Number 2. Shaping the blocks. The blocks were then shaped using copper chisels and mallets, which were the primary tools used in ancient Egypt. Number 3. Building the chamber. The pyramid consists of several chambers, including the king's burial chamber. Some believe that the chambers were dug into the bedrock, while others think that they were built using limestone blocks. Number 4. Building the pyramid. The pyramid was built in horizontal layers or courses, with each course built on top of the other. The workers used ramps to haul the blocks up to the higher levels of the pyramid. Number 5. Finishing touches. Once the pyramid was completed, it was covered in white casing stones that were polished to a high shine. The capstone, which was made of polished granite, was then placed on top of the pyramid. Building the Pyramid of Giza would have required an enormous amount of labour, organisation and engineering skill. It is a testament to the ingenuity and dedication of the ancient Egyptians that such a monument was possible.